What's up guys, so I'll teach you how to start a plant of your own from a fruit that you eat in your homes. I started this plant from a papaya fruit that I ate, took the seeds apart. It's been 2 months and it's growing. I'll teach you how to do this. Keep watching the video. Thank you. So today I am going to show you how to take these out. We have already taken some out and here we have some seeds. So I'll just bend that tissue inwards because we don't want the plants to get dry up. So what we'll do now is cover these like so. Spray some. I have written the date and all covering. This is a Ziploc bag. Make sure to put some air into this and just throw your wet tissue with seeds inside this and we'll spray some more water on here. What I'll do is I'll fold inwards in the bag with today's date and this. So what I'll do is I'll just blow up the bag and just put this in here. It has been more than 10 days. Now we will unbox seeds. These were the lemon seeds that I kept. So I'll just show you. As you can clearly see, one of them has germinated. Check another. If it has germinated, it looks like this has also germinated. It has clearly split into two after the germination, and that's a great sign that the seed will go on. I will be showing you how to plant these now. Is 6th May, been more than 1.5 months and it's growing pretty good, and I use this bottle to spray the leaves with water to keep them hydrated and water the plant. Seeds all the way in this pot, but only one have been successful and sprouted. So this is it. Check this out, man. It looks very good. And so this is also flowering, and for the nutrients I used egg scrap. It is rich in calcium and it grew like this, but it was a fail. It didn't get very far. Yeah, so this is it. This is the success. This is how you want to keep your pot in a bucket filled with water. This is how the clay absorbs the water. You can see the bubbles naturally occurring from the porous capacity of this pot. If you want to grow any plant, it has to breathe. The roots of the plant breathe through the porous structure of this clay pot. So as you can see, I filled the pot partially, then I took this plant. As you can see, the growth of the roots is very nice. Additional soil back in so that it gets used to the rich soil that you just introduce the plant to. It's like providing the plant the same habitat to grow. So I'll just put it evenly, provide the soil so that it stays upright. This is the original soil. It was growing in pretty nicely. We will have to leave about 2-inch gap from the head, so the water capabilities are still left in this pot. Do more. Watering the plant is very simple, but to make sure in this summer weather you provide enough water even to the leaves, so they are nice and wet all the time, clear from dust, so they absorb sunlight. More sunlight are needed to grow the plant. But you don't want to get the plant burnt, put it out in sunlight for more than a day. So the leaves go dry and the plant dies if there is too much sunlight. So little. So it's like
I've grown. I right here, and plant I pruned is also growing right here. It's right now in the flowering stage. You can see the pods also.